Hello, sunny one and beautiful people. Welcome to another video. It's another day, another train. Of course, I love to travel by train, especially when I'm in Europe, because it is so convenient. It's easier, it's quicker, it's faster, and it means I can do other things while I am traveling. And today I am going to do a show. I'm going to do a show in London, and I'm so excited about it. It's a show I've been looking forward to doing. And look, I'm here with one of my fellow comedians, 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪. Please do follow him, check him out. It's one of the best comedians out here in England. And this is the show I'm going to. I'm just going to be the only comedian for tonight. It is a celebration of a birthday party of one of the biggest DJs in London, Daddy Ernie. Check him out.
Okay, so our first special guest is a young lady who comes from South Africa. You're going to be thrilled with laughter. I've seen her on a few occasions, and some of you have seen her, but you haven't really realised what she's saying. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to put your hands together and welcome on stage for the first time for Daddy Ernie, all the way from South Africa, the lovely 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠 Let's hear it for 𝙏𝙗𝙖. She's going to make you laugh. The lovely 𝙏𝙗𝙖, she's here, making her name for herself. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Hello! Yay, that's me on stage. And the theme was green, so keeping up with the theme. You have to respect the theme of the people who invite you. If there's ever a theme, follow the theme, respect the theme. Do you guys respect the theme? Do you like themed parties? Let me know in the comment section, because I know some of you do not come dressed in the right colors when you are invited to functions or parties where there is a theme. Anyway, this is me on stage. I'm so excited. It was a room full of so many people. I think 300, 400, 500. I think about 500 people. I'm not sure. I didn't count. I was too busy eating. There was so much nice food. I love Caribbean food. I had so much rice and peas, curried goat. Yeah, I just had a lot of food. I didn't record it because it would have felt so awkward. You know, when you are surrounded by people who are just there to party, who are serious. Sometimes you have to behave yourself, and you don't want to be seen doing too much before you even get on stage. Go on stage, perform. Then you can be free to do what you want to do and record. And so if you want to hear what I'm saying, come to the shows, come see it live. And if you do not know, I am currently on tour. Check out my social media. Find out when I am coming to a city next to you, so that you can come and see me live, watch me live performing, or go to my YouTube channel. I post videos there. Go and watch videos there and enjoy yourself. I've got a channel that has Zulu videos, which is my mother tongue. I've also got a channel that has English videos. So it's up to you. You choose. You pick and choose. You decide. Anyway, I really appreciate you for watching, and wish you the best in life. What do you do, guys? What do you do? Let me know. What are your jobs? Because this is what I do for a living. This is me, stand in front of people, tell jokes. This is what I do for a living. What do you do for a living? Please comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you do for a living, and do you love it? Do you like it? Or is it just something you do so you can get your bills paid? Or yeah, let me know. I want to know what everyone else does for a living. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.